Mercury.
Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. It's Saturday night. It's about 8:30 and we're going to do our walking round Blackpool, the streets, the bars and the pubs, and see what's going on tonight. It's about 9 degrees, feels about 6 degrees, so it's quite a cold one tonight. So yeah, I thought I'd give you some silence on the opening clip, so I hope you enjoyed that. And yeah, we're just going to go for a wander around like I just said. So thank you to everybody that watched yesterday's Friday night Halloween one. I hope you're enjoying it, and if you haven't watched it, I hope you do enjoy it. But yeah, let's go for a walk round the streets of Blackpool on Saturday night. Well, it's absolutely freezing tonight, and we're blowing a gale as well, so it feels about 6 degrees. That's what it's telling me anyway, and I don't think they're far wrong. So yeah, but as usual, everyone comes out in all weathers. Anyone else coming over? Oh, I managed to get my middle of the road clip in as well. Ice cream, anybody? It is really cold. So I don't know what the dress code's going to be tonight. It'll be different from last night being Halloween. Probably back to the standard Blackpool dress code, which will be a tattoo and a cigarette probably. And maybe a belt. A rock shop. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry about that. The last thing you want to see is just bodies in front of the camera. Awful, isn't it?
Yellow to an 8, 28.
Yeah, well, we're just down this south area now, as you can probably see. Do a bit of people watching. Gated karaoke bar there. The illuminations a little bit different down here, aren't they?
Why does that? So we just go for a drink of Mark Kelly and then decide what we're going to do.
Certainly a good turnout again down this end, considering it is a cold night. And there's our £2 burger man, open all year. Still people coming out here dressed with nothing on. Right, let's continue down the Blackpool area. These lads are won't let them in more Kellys. Yeah, bit of futsal. Just been having a chat with these guys, they were funny. They can't get in anywhere. Yeah, as I've said many times, this Foxhill area is getting more and more vibrant at the weekends. Now the Hardwick over there, still £1.80 a pint, Strongbow, Foster's and John Smith's all day, every day. Yeah, a little bit of Foxhill, I can hear them sirens going off. Yeah, normally the temperature's pretty accurate. When it says 9 feels like 6, but these people just sitting around. But anyway, let's continue. Very busy. It is the last night of the lightpool, which is on the other side of the prom, as you're aware. It's his last night tonight, but I won't go over there tonight. I might have a quick put the camera over there quickly, but I showed you it anyway. But it's been quite successful, this light show, running alongside the illuminations. And then don't forget, we've got the Christmas by the Sea, which opens up on the 20th of November. Yeah, no shortage of people, is there?
Chance to win a pair of tickets to this exclusive star-studded event, including a night at a top. Over the hills of snow.
We'll not go forward.
This is a charity organisation that comes through. We have a few of them come through. So yeah, you can hear Christmas songs. What a great atmosphere, isn't it? Absolutely brilliant, isn't it? The tram started tooting, so did everybody else. Brilliant. Yeah, give it another week or so and I imagine the Christmas by the Sea will start to arrive and building it all up, ready for the 21st. yeah, quick glance at everybody here, children and families enjoying it on the comedy carpet here. This beach house always looks a little bit hidden, doesn't it, at night? There's not much lighting. But they've got an arrangement when Christmas by the Sea starts that they can have an outside area. This is what they're building here, a canopy, and they're allowed to use that. But yeah, it just looks a bit drab, doesn't it, at night time? Quiet down here. Yeah, very quiet in that alleyway. There was only about 5 or 6 people in that lovely bar. Even this place, look. It's not exactly heaving, is it? Well, at the moment it's quiet around the pubs, isn't it, in the bars? Bit of walkabout. We'll head back up the top now, just to show you what I showed you last night. I called it a table lamp, but it's part of the light pool thing, so that will be switched off after tonight. But yeah, that was just a little bit of Queen Street. I mean, I'm really glad that all the families are out the front and on the prom. It's really good. Again, the bar side seems not many people, even inside the bars. And we're on 9 o'clock now, but we'll keep going round. Just coming back up by the Holiday Inn now. Yeah, I don't know how long I'll stay out tonight. I mean, I've done 2 videos yesterday, and I was in a lot of agony with my knees. So, just to show you what's going on, really. But yeah, let's readjust or reset, as we say, and start at the top again and have a little wander around. I don't think I told you what time I finished yesterday, but I think it was about 10 o'clock time I got in yesterday, PM. I would go in some of these bars, and I will go in again, but when they're too heaving, you can't get any good footage. It's just backs and shoulders. So it's best when it's a little bit quieter. I've noticed tonight earlier on when I was down South Shore that there's still people in Halloween, so maybe they haven't been home yet. Has everybody else where you come from in England, have you got loads of Turkish barbers as well? I sort of believe they're everywhere. Barbers, vape shops, tattoo shops. Yeah, we'll probably have another circle round, and then I've showed you around on Saturday night. I am cold, I haven't eaten yet today, so yeah, let's see. Let's carry on anyway. Station there. Yeah, I think I'll go and see my mate that works on the door at the Black Pub. I can stand in there for a while and get warm, and then we'll do another couple of one more circle. So we're in the Black Pub now, we'll just show you around here. Yeah, the Black Pub is a slightly older age group. Only opens at weekends though, but I'll just show you a bit more of it, but it's so busy to walk through. Yeah, that was the Black Pub I was in. Just talked to my mate on the door and getting a little bit warm, but we're back on the move now. Just going to have another look round, see what other people are having fun the weekend. And then I'm going to go home and cook some food, I think. Well, that girl had some tattoos. Yeah, nobody's just not very busy in there. Yes, I think I may have found my thumbnail for tonight's video. Yeah, the retro lounge. Just in Clifton Street now. Yeah, a few people ask me where do I drink. Well, before lockdown I only used to drink in Markelly's North. But since lockdown I don't really go out a lot now. I've had a lot of health problems, some as you know. But if I do go out, it's probably mainly Hogarth's and Markelly's North. But I do use some of the pubs down in Vauxhall. Yeah, there's Hogarth there, it's having a load of work done. But I just don't go out as much as I used to. Yeah, so we've covered a slightly different area tonight, down the Vauxhall area. So I feel quite chuffed what we've done and what we've seen. And I hope you enjoyed Friday night's one, Halloween. Yeah, the station over there, it's run by the same people that have now got the Rose and Crown. Is it Stonegate? Is it Stonegate or something like that anyway? Victoria there.
Put some milk in it.
Anyway, you probably know what's coming next, so thank you if you watched this one to the end, and thank you to anybody that watches, likes, shares and subscribes. I appreciate it all, and yeah, I only do this for exercise and fun and enjoyment, and that's all I ever want it to be. So thank you everybody again, and I hope you enjoyed the last few videos, and I will catch you all again very, very soon. Bye bye for now.